Hey, I'm Sven Graham from Brabus. I'm head of communications and advertising. Yeah, we're here at the Monaco Yacht Show for showing some nice modern, also vintage cars. As you see here, a completely restored 300 SL Roadster. We invested about 4,500 hours to make it happen that the car is really like a brand new car. It's from the 50s, so it have nearly 70 years after it. But now, as you look at as it is it here, it's really like a brand new car underneath and on top, and the price for such a car is 1.8 million euro. So every bit and piece of the car is restored, including the engine, including the interior. We invested thousands of euros in spare parts, original from Mercedes-Benz. We invest a lot of craftsmanship, so 4,500 hours of craftsmanship are inside of that car. We make it 100% as an original car, like it left the factory. Maybe in detail a bit better because we are not working in a hurry. The colleagues have enough time to make it happen that it looks 100% perfect.
So I noticed the Maybach.
That's a Maybach, yeah.
And it's a Brabus tuned Maybach.
Yes, for sure.
And I see it says 900 on it. I suspect that's something to do with horsepower or...
That's really the horsepower. The Brabus 900 stands for 900 horsepower. It's a 900 horsepower V12. The top speed of this car is 350 kilometers per hour, so it's one of the fastest offices in the world. We have a handmade leather interior, some 21-inch wheels forged, so very light, some aerodynamic parts to keep it at 350 top speed on the street. They have a 12-piston caliper brake system, so very strong, so that's not the question. You only have to find a street where it's allowed to go that fast. Yeah, in Germany we can do it. We come from there, we have close by an autobahn and without a speed limit, and we tried sometime, yeah, but usually we go on a real test track. Yeah. Yeah, here we have the Brabus, again, 900. It's a 900 horsepower convertible. Very special on that car is it's really the fastest convertible in the world, a four-seater convertible. So also the top speed is 350 kilometers per hour. And it have also 21-inch forged wheels, very exclusive handmade interior. And I think it's a perfect car for the Côte d'Azur here. And the people will enjoy it. Yeah, here we have something for Monaco, especially for the city. So it's a 125 horsepower pocket rocket, we call it, because it's the city sports car. It have a top speed of 175 kilometers, but the main thing here is it's very small, very short. You can go everywhere you want in every car park, and it's still fast on the traffic light. This car is really fully equipped. It's called Brabus Ultimate, and it's called Ultimate because it have everything. It have these wider fenders, 18-inch wheels, a front spoiler, special paintwork. Yeah, so you can choose the color. You can have it even if you want in the color of your Bentley or your Ferrari, whatever you want. Also, the interior is custom made. So that's really, yeah, made to measure for the customer. Here we have the 280 SL Mercedes-Benz Pagoda, also completely restored. We invested about 1,500 hours for a complete restoration for such a car. And it's really matching numbers car, so it's really completely authentic to the delivery in 1967.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.